Hello. Today we're going to look at some words that have the same sound in them. The same sound. First of all, I have two letters here. Let's have a look. My first letter is the letter S, which is the sound S. S. The letter S makes the snake sound. My other letter is the letter H, which makes the sound. Sound. So I have S, S. But these are special letters because if you put them together, they don't make the sound S. No, they change into one new sound. The sound sh. Sh. So you have s, sh, s, sh, s, sh. You have the sh sound. Let's think. What words do we know in English that have the sh sound? The sh sound. Let me put my SH on my board to remind us we're looking for sh sounds in my words, because here I have a box, my black and white box. What's in my box? What's in my box? Shall we have a look? The first thing in my box is a The first thing in my box is a sheep. A sheep. A sheep. Does the word sheep have the sound sh in it? Listen. Sheep. Sheep. Yes, it does. The word sheep starts with the sound sh. Sheep. Here I have the word sheep. What's in my box? What's in my box? Huh? Oh no. What's this? Oh no. What's got my finger? Ah! It's okay. Not really. It's a shark. A shark. Does the word shark have the sound sh in it? Let's see. Shark. Shark. Yes, it does. It starts with the sound sh. Shark. I've got the word shark here. Stick it on my sh board with the sheep. Shark, sheep. What's in my box? What's in my box? Oh, now this is interesting. I've got a cloth and some soap. With these we wash. Wash my face, wash my hands, wash my chest. I'm going to wash. Wash. Does the word wash have the sound sh in it? Wash. 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 Yes, it does. It has it at the end of the word. Listen. Wash. 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 I have my word wash right here. And look, it's at the end. Wash. Shark and sheep begin with the sound sh, but wash finishes with it. in my box? What's in my box? Oh. This is a fish. Fish. Does the word fish have my sound sh in it? Let's see. Fish. 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 Yes, it does. It has it at the end. Listen. Fish. Let me find the word fish. Here it is. The word fish. Fish. Shark, sheep, wash and fish. At the beginning and the end of the word, it's the sh sound. Last one. What's in my box? What's in my box? Oh, there's lots of little things here. Oh, can you guess what they are? In my hand, I have shells. Can you see? Shells. Lots and lots of shells from the beach. Does the word shell have the sound sh in it? Let's listen. Shells. 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 Yes, it starts with the sound sh. Here I've got the word. Oh, let me carefully put my shells away because my last word is shells. Shells. Pop that down there so you can see. There are lots of words that have the sh sound. Shark, sheep, shells, wash, fish. And there are lots more. Well done, everybody. And remember, watch, listen, and repeat. Bye.